Most professionals operate under a flawed premise that peak performance requires sacrifice, stress, and friction. In Feel Good Productivity, Ali Abdaal presents a counterintuitive, scientifically backed thesis. Positive emotions do not succeed execution, they enable it. When you feel good, you generate a strategic advantage that yields non-linear gains in output, creativity, and resilience. This logic naturally leads us to the author's 3 primary operational pillars: Energize, Unblock, and Sustain. Pillar 1. The Energize Protocol. The first pillar focuses on active energy generation. Abdaal leverages the Broaden-and-Build theory pioneered by Dr. Barbara Fredrickson at the University of North Carolina. The data demonstrates that positive emotions broaden our cognitive awareness, allowing us to process more strategic options. To operationalize this, Abdaal introduces 3 distinct energizers. Play. Frame low-stakes tasks as experimental games. This reduces the fear of failure and lowers cognitive resistance. Power. Increase personal autonomy. When you feel in control of the execution method, intrinsic motivation spikes. People. Utilize the relational energy effect. Working alongside high-vibe peers acts as a social force multiplier, drastically reducing the perceived effort of a task. Pillar 2. The Unblock Protocol. High output is often halted not by a lack of discipline, but by psychological friction. Abdaal cites the research of Dr. Joseph Ferrari on chronic procrastination to show that task avoidance is an emotional regulation problem, not a time management issue. To unblock execution, you must diagnose and dismantle 3 specific barriers. Friction. Demolish the initiation threshold by defining the absolute smallest micro-step. Do not plan to write the report, plan to open the document. Fear. Address the emotional block. Use cognitive reappraisal to label anxiety as excitement, shifting your biological state from threat to challenge. Inertia. Implement the 5-minute rule. Commit to executing the task for 300 seconds. Once the cognitive inertia is broken, the momentum carrying you forward requires significantly less biological energy. Pillar 3. The Sustain Protocol. The ultimate limiting factor of any high-performance system is burnout. Abdaal references the Maslow burnout inventory to highlight that exhaustion is driven by a mismatch between workload and recovery. Sustaining execution requires a shift from passive resting to active rejuvenation. The Sustain Protocol relies on 3 strategic pillars. Conserve. Proactively say no to low-leverage activities to protect your cognitive bandwidth. Recharge. Implement high-quality rest that active recovery demands, such as nature immersion or creative hobbies, rather than passive screen consumption. Align. Ensure daily tasks directly map to your long-term values. This brings us to a critical strategic checkpoint that most high achievers completely miss. It is entirely possible to optimize a system to run flawlessly, only to realize you are heading in the wrong direction. Abdaal identifies this as the alignment trap. To determine if your current daily output is actually yielding long-term ROI, you must run the Odyssey Plan. Originally developed by Stanford professors Bill Burnett and Dave Evans, this exercise requires you to map out 3 entirely different 5-year futures. Path 1. Your current trajectory optimized to its absolute peak. Path 2. The alternative route you would take if your current industry suddenly vanished. Path 3. The path you would pursue if money and social status were completely removed from the equation. If these 3 paths show 0 overlap with your current weekly task list, you are optimizing for a dead end. Executive. Yield. The action plan. To convert these insights into immediate, measurable ROI, implement this 3-step protocol starting today. First, conduct an energy audit. For the next 48 hours, rate your tasks on a scale of +3 to -3. Eliminate or delegate any task that consistently drains your energetic reserves. Second, lower the activation energy of your primary goal. Set up your physical environment so that starting your deep work takes less than 20 seconds. Third, schedule weekly strategic alignment reviews. Ensure your high-velocity execution actually matches the life metrics that matter. If you want to master the systems that bridge the gap between knowledge and high-performance action, subscribe for weekly insights into digital literacy and self-growth. optimize your execution, protect your energy, and build a sustainable path to elite output.